Are you ready for spring cleaning? Have you cleaned your couch? Is it you, your husband, or other family members in the house, especially small children or animals that jump up and down off of your couch and you think it's clean? Boy, was I super wrong about my that way of thinking. Yes, I have a husband. Yes, I have four dogs. I don't have small children, but I do have small children that like to come over and visit. And I thought just because I was using the lint roller and all these other tools that said it cleans your couch, I was wrong until I got my JIGOO mattress and couch vacuum. It is great because it heats up UV light and it gives all of those indicators right here to let you know when it's clean. So I'll show you, and I'll even show you this. We are starting, it is empty. So whatever comes out is right here, right now. Whoop. It just snaps on and off. So let's get started. We're getting one of my couch cushions. It is gentle on my couch because it is a very fine material. As it makes contact, the lights will light up. I'm going to walk back over here and make sure you can see. How it lights up to let you know. So we're gonna take it out, or take it apart. So we just snap this second red button, set that down, and we can unlock it this way. It does have a filter that comes with it. Look at that. Inside, I know, gross. There is a second replacement filter that will come with it. That was clean before we started. Set it gently on my table. Tap lightly. And this is just from one of my couch pillows. And I honestly, I'm embarrassed to show you this. That came out of what we just vacuumed. Now, can you imagine what's coming out of your couch? Have you vacuumed like that? I've taken my vacuums over my couch and never would get the fine dust particles and other stuff out like that. But let's go upstairs and see how we can use this on just something other than the couch. So hang on. So we are back in the bedroom, and I wanted to show you how well it does work on the bed. So let's get over here and get started. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but I do have four dogs and they do sleep in the bed with us. So there's dog hair in. When you're in between and you've just put your fresh sheets on and they get on, no worries. you can see, and he wants to be on camera. You can see in there that came from the sheets. Yes, these are the Lux Decor sheets. I have a video about those as well. But let me show you what I truly mean. I did this earlier this month, about a week and a half ago, that I did the vacuuming of my mattress, because it is spring cleaning, and I wanted to just see. If you have animals, I definitely would recommend this. If you have your children moving out into their first apartment or off to college, for sure get one of these. Because you don't, just because you think it's clean because it doesn't look dirty doesn't mean it really is clean. I'm going to take it apart and I'll let you see. I cleaned this, when I stopped the video to move upstairs, I'd cleaned this. Y'all, that's within a week. So if you want this vacuum for your house, your apartment, your college dorm room, click the link below. I promise you, you're not going to be disappointed about what comes out of your things. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.